Packing up the rooftop tent and annex. Firstly, loosen the guy ropes from the front of the annex and remove the pegs. Unpeg the base on all 4 corners. If you have attached the lower tent annex, unzip it, starting with the corner closest to the passenger door and continue clockwise around the 3 remaining edges. Climb the ladder into the rooftop tent and remove all window poles. Thread the toggles through the eyelet to secure. Back out on the ladder, loosen the tent canvas around the bar. Release the clips and shorten the bar. Fasten the clips. If you have the model with the removable bar, lift the bar out of the side connectors. Fold the connectors back in. Pull the bar out from under the canvas and slide it back on top of the tent mattress, tucking in the canvas as you go. Extend the ladder legs to a 30-degree angle and slowly lift up, guiding the ladder against the base of the tent. Take the weight of the ladder as the tent folds over. Standing on the tyre step provided, twist the 2 black knobs to release the ladder. Slide the bottom half of the ladder across the tent. From the other side, pull the ladder towards you. Twist the 2 black knobs on the ladder to lock it into place. Fasten the straps on the rooftop tent. If you attach the lower tent annex, slide it out along the guide rail. Fold it up neatly and put it away in the awning bag. Retrieve the rooftop tent cover and slide it into the guide rail. Flip the cover over the tent. Remember, always use the tyre step when reaching up to the roof. Zip the cover up all the way around. Throw the tie-down straps over the top of the roof tent and secure it on the other side. The rooftop tent and annex are now safely stored for travel.